right, we got Doug Porter here, and we're getting some killer shots today, and we got some epic stuff going on here. So Doug, tell us about this bike.
Yeah, so this is a Suzuki Boulevard M109R Japanese bike. It's kind of a cross between a crotch rocket or sport bike and like a Harley or a cruiser bike. So it has the high RPM engine, but it has the big pistons and loud exhaust, kind of like a cruiser. But you sit like this, so you don't sit like a crotch rocket. And it's been totally customized by the guy that had it before me. I've done a few of the things, but like has aftermarket mirrors with blinkers in them, aftermarket handlebars. It has a wider front and back tire. It's been lowered. It has air ride, so it can be raised up and down. Aftermarket pegs and air intake. These are called superchargers, like a Ram Air. It's got some different shifting things that's been put in it. It's got 2 computers inside of it, a power commander and an auto tuner to tune the fuel and everything. And probably a lot of other things that I'm missing, but yeah, it's been totally custom. The wheels have been blacked out. LED lights all around. Yeah, 2007, so it's older. They actually, they still look the same today, the 2023 model. The only thing they've changed is the paint, a little bit of the clutch stuff. Originally the tachometer was right here, and I put it down inside the headlight, so it's hidden down inside there, but that's the way the new ones come, with the tach down inside the headlight. Just kind of makes the bike look lower instead of this stuff sticking in